Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to add music in video in Canva. It is very simple. You will see there is upload option. Click on upload, click on audio and you can easily add any audio or music file here. So I upload it from my PC. This is the music file. I upload it. So select this and the music is already selected. Now play the video and we can easily add music to a video in Canva. It will take some time. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.